All right, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to talk about Hess's law. Now, in general, Hess's law states that if a chemical equation can be expressed as the sum of a series of steps, then the delta H, or the overall enthalpy for the equation, is the sum of the heats of the reactions for each state. So basically, it's saying that the sum for the reaction is going to equal the sum of all its parts, which mathematically makes sense. So kind of an easy way to look at this is, so say we have reactant A plus 2B produces C. Okay, so we have two different reactants and they form a product. Now, then we have C produces 2D. So a little reaction here. This